afternoon everyone, how yous going? This is take two. I'll put the first part of take one at the back of the video and then you'll understand why this is take two. Okay, so moving ahead here, I've got an electrician hopefully coming next week, so please keep your fingers crossed for me. I've been very busy, both Ziggy and I have. For those of you that don't know, Ziggy is my wife. Getting this inverter up on the wall. I've got to wipe it down now, it's all got hand marks all over it, but we got it up on the wall. Now let's talk about the wiring of this. Now if you're on a grid tie, and that's why I'm doing this, this is why I've picked a 5 kilowatt inverter for here, okay, and not another 8 kilowatt Deye inverter that I have for my off-grid system. And these are absolutely brilliant, by the way, absolutely brilliant, absolutely brilliant. I just look, and the information I get out of them on the computer is fantastic. Okay, so anyway, so what we've got over here, I've run all the wires through. All right, we've got the Deye ready. Now if you're looking at going, if you are a grid tied person, if you have already a 5 kilowatt grid tie inverter in your home that is just a grid tie inverter, this little Deye here is a drop-in replacement for probably 90% of them, okay? And look, have a look at the first impressions video when I took this out of the box and put it on the table and went through it. And that pretty much explains why these are better than, yeah, probably 99% of all the other inverters on the market. And bear in mind these are sold under other names in England, USA and Canada, but here in Australia they're a Deye. I think some companies put Deye and then Voltex or something like that on top. I've seen some of those. I think they're sold through Outbacks. Look, it's fine buying inverters from, you know, big chain stores like Big W and all that sort of stuff, but remember, it's all about programming and after sales service, okay? You're not going to get that with those, whereas if you buy this off George from Greenbank and you need help program it, you ring George and George will stay on the phone and help you program it. If you need a firmware update, George will help you do a firmware update. And I bought all my stuff through Greenbank, okay, through George. And George has got a 5% discount code he's given me for all the people that view my video in Australia. And it's a genuine 5% discount code. Okay, I don't make any money out of it. I don't make any money out of yous at all. I don't make any money out of sales or anything like that, okay? I'm making videos because it's my hobby. And this here, this power cabinet runs my house. This power cabinet is my hobby. Okay, I started many years ago and solar power was my hobby and it still is my hobby. Alright, so let's show you grid tied people. Now if you've already got 5 to 6.5 kilowatts of solar on your roof and already got a 5 kilowatt inverter, grid tie inverter, you can have that replaced by a properly accredited person and get them to install it for you, and that's your first step to having power independence. If the grid goes down If they start charging for peak power use, especially in Western Australia, I know they do it in other states, it's only a matter of time before it comes here. If they start charging for peak power use, you can program these things to run off a battery during those peak times. And if the grid goes down, this unit will automatically switch to the battery, and if the battery's low and you've got an auto start generator on it, it will automatically start a generator as well. I mean, these things, they're just brilliant. You will never use power again if you do it right. I never lose power. I'm not on the grid. The only time I lose power is if I turn my power off to do maintenance, which I do fairly regularly, you know, probably twice a year. Okay, so, you know, you don't have to worry about it. You can do it in steps. You can buy the inverter, get that installed, and just use the grid tie function. And then when you've got more money saved up, you can buy the battery. And depending on how much of a battery you get is how much redundancy you've got. Alright, and if you want to take it one step further, you can get a nice auto start diesel generator, hook that into the system, and you're ready for the zombie apocalypse if that ever comes. I don't think it will, but you know, all these videos can't be wrong, can they? I mean, can they? Anyway, that's enough fun. So I've got this all ready for the electrician, so please cross your fingers for me, and let's hope he turns up next week, eh? That would be fantastic, absolutely fantastic. Alright, so there's an update. I hope you've enjoyed the video. There's not many, I don't think there's many channels on YouTube where you'll actually see systems like this side by side. Matter of fact, I'm pretty sure there's not many on YouTube where not only have you got two systems side by side, but they're both fully installed correctly and insured. Okay, and that's a huge difference right there. Okay, that's it. Keep safe, everyone. Bye for now. Enjoy the funny bit at the end. Bye bye. Morning, everybody. Oh, the bird is here. I didn't think it was here this morning, but here it is. It's looking really, really good. There it is. It's looking absolutely marvellous. Yeah. It's going really well. It spent last night in the trees, and it rained this morning. Now it's on top of the camera. Come on, mate, hop off the camera.